This explainer video will show you exactly how you can use the Stager app to manage your shifts. Whether you're working behind the bar, behind a mixing desk, or behind a ticket scanner, you will always use the Stager app as the home for all of your shifts. Here you can request shifts, claim shifts, and see your overview of upcoming shifts. Make sure that the app is on your phone and always updated. To get started, you'll need to sign into the Stager app using your Stager account. If you don't have the account yet, you can request an account from your team planner. Here in the right-hand corner, you'll find a button that takes you to your profile page. Check your information to make sure that it's correct. If anything is incorrect, contact your team planner. We can also add a picture, so let's do that. Great. Now your profile is set up, let's dive into your shifts. Your team planner will make shifts available for you to claim or request. By claiming a shift, you will be directly allocated to this shift and no one else can take this shift. You can find the available shifts to claim under the Open Shifts tab. Here is the complete list of upcoming shifts sorted per week with each event name shown. Shifts are automatically marked unavailable and you will need to mark them available to claim them. Shifts with a lock symbol next to them indicate that they can be directly claimed. So on 21 November you're available and you would like to claim this shift as a sound engineer. First you indicate that you're available by tapping Available here. Now you can tap directly on the lock symbol, which will open this dialog box to confirm you want to claim the shift. Or you can tap on the event itself, check out its details and claim the shift from there. Your team planner can also make shifts available for you to request. This means that instead of directly claiming a shift, you indicate to your team planner that you are available for this shift and would like to request it. Multiple people can request the same shift and then it's up to your team planner to allocate people to these shifts. You can find shifts to request in the Open Shifts tab. The upcoming shifts that you can request have a heart symbol next to them. You would like to request this shift here on the 22nd of November. You're available and keen to work. So you'll either tap on this heart symbol or you can go to the event itself, read its details and request this shift from there. Now it's up to your team planner to allocate this shift to you. You want to see all the shifts you have coming up. You can do this easily in the My Shifts tab. Here you can see all your upcoming shifts. If you tap on a shift, you can read further details on the event, the location, and the team you're working with. Instead of manually putting in every new shift into your calendar, you can sync your upcoming shifts with your personal calendar. This means that if a shift is added, moved, or cancelled, it will also automatically update in your personal calendar. You can do this by clicking on the calendar icon in the top right-hand corner of your profile page. Here a URL is generated. You can copy this URL and add it as a calendar subscription in your personal calendar. To stop receiving shifts in your agenda, you'll need to manually remove the subscription from your calendar.